log into your FeedMe portal, then click on here and click post. Then click on takeaway. So you can add takeaway. Let's say for example, you might have different takeaway charges. So let's say this takeaway title I put takeaway or tapao. So I put only charge for 50 cents. You can link the product. Maybe you can set using a normal plastic bag only for beverage. So click on beverage category. After that, just click confirm. Then just click add. Then you might have a better container for your food. So you can add another takeaway charges. Let's say I put. Then this one, for the takeaway price, I put 1 ringgit. Then I link the product with the food. After that, just click confirm. And add. Then don't forget to go to publish and publish it. Once done, go to your post device. When you take an order, if I take order under the food, there's an option for me to select takeaway with 50 cents extra charges. Just click confirm. That's how it looks like. If you order food and it's takeaway, then I can select the food container which is preset to this food item. Then it show like this. Another scenario, if I order by takeaway by preset, then it shows automatic add-on 50 cents. Same goes to your food. Then it show like this. Then in report, it shows your source of summary, which is the takeaway. Under the source product set, it will show that order method is other takeaway, got 2 items. To customize to show the total takeaway, so go to the report, go to daily sales, click here and duplicate it. Then click confirm. Under this daily sales duplicate, click on it, click edit. Under the widget, edit, scroll under the bottom, and you need to add in the metric. So in here, so in the metric, click here and search takeaway. So I click bill gross with takeaway and click confirm. Then it shows the gross with takeaway. Then click again and add another matrix and click bill takeaway. Click confirm. Then it shows the takeaway price. After that, just click save. Then back to customize report. Then for the report title, you can edit as daily sales with takeaway. Then just click save. So click back. Next time, you always can refer from here. Daily sales with takeaway. That's all for today. Thank you.
So cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找post system, 找 Aseng.